Hello, little kiddos. How are you today? I am Sandhya Sisodia, back with Bedtime Stories. What is the name of today's story? Let's see. The Two Angel Birds. A little girl named Maria lived with her uncle and aunt. They treated her very badly. Maria was very unhappy. She wished she had parents who loved her. One day, Maria decided to escape. She sneaked out and ran into the forest. But the forest was deep, dark, and scary. Poor Maria, she felt so alone. In tears, she called out for help. Suddenly, two birds appeared. They chirped, "Don't cry, Maria. Come with us." Maria was scared, but she decided to follow the birds. After a long walk through the forest, the birds reached a small hut. "Go in, Maria," the birds chirped as they entered the hut. The birds turned into angels. A kind couple named Mr. and Mrs. Jones lived in that hut. The couple wanted a child, and Maria wanted a family who would love her. The angels had helped them find each other. So, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is be brave and be kind and help others. I hope you like the story. I will be back with a new story. Until then, bye bye. If you love the story, like, share, and subscribe. Wait, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of new videos. Good night, sweet dreams.